Hey guys, what is up? It's Teddy here and welcome to my weekly b-boy tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to do windmill or backspin from standing up. So I just assume all you guys that are watching this video right now can already do the backspin or windmill from the turtle freeze, which is the most basic power move starting point for those two. If you haven't learned, then you can check out the video where you can master that first and then come back here and learn this standing to windmill or backspin, because it's more advanced here. So make sure you clean up and learn the basic first. Why you must learn the basic for the turtle freeze to power move to windmill or backspin first? Because when you learning this standing to the power move windmill or backspin, is almost exactly the same when you're doing it from the turtle freeze. Alright, it's just that you starting from standing up. So by learning the basic from the turtle freeze, it will allows you to have a great basic, so that when you come in here and learn this, it will be so much easier. First step, we're gonna start from standing up, obviously, alright? And from there, you're gonna learn how to New York. So this is how New York looks like. So learn this New York. I know some of you guys have the other name for this one, but you can call this whatever it is. I call this New York. So master this first, and now we get into the second step. Now when you're doing New York, when you place your right hand and about placing your left hand, it's time to drop your left hand, right? So right hand, when you put your right hand, your left leg is gonna go up, followed by your left hand. When your right leg start to go up, then it's time for you to drop your left hand. You can see when I'm doing this, I do it in one movement. When my right hand touching the ground, my left leg go up, and when my left hand touching the ground, my right leg is gonna go up. From there, when my right legs go up, I'm gonna start putting my elbow down on my forearm, and then from there we're gonna continue to the step 3. For step 3, after you're placing your elbow on the ground, it's time to transit from your elbow to your left shoulder. Remember, left shoulder, you want to drop high. Okay, do not drop down here. Always when doing power move, windmill or backspin, you want to drop around here or spin on this back here, because it allows you to have an easier way to continue to the next spin. So let's try step 1, step 2 and step 3. After doing all of that steps, the last step is you're gonna swing your left leg as hard as you can, alright? So left elbow, left shoulder, drop, and then swing your left leg over. Now before I combine all the steps and show you how it looks, remember the tips. Just one tips, alright? Always keep that in mind. Keep your body tight. Your whole body should be tight. When you're doing power move, never let your body loose. When you loosen up, you can't do power move. Maybe you can, but you're gonna be floppy, alright? So always keep in mind, keep your body tight, your leg tight, the whole thing. So when you sweep and do all the steps, it looks more cleaner and more powerful. Now let's combine all the steps and also the tips. Keep your body tight and see how it looks. There you go, the standing to windmill or backspin. Not only it looks cool, but also it creates a lot more momentum compared when you're going to the power move from the turtle freeze. So that's about it. Do subscribe, like this video, give a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.